If you would like to customize the EQ on your Shokz OpenFit 2 Plus, well, first open the case, put it on your ear and listen to music. You will need the Shokz app that you can download from the App Store on the Google Play Store. And on the first page, you've got those first two options. First one, if you're listening to music, I highly recommend that you enable the Dolby Audio. If you're listening music with a great quality app like Qobuz or Tidal. And right under, you've got the EQ mode. So by default, it is on standard, but you can move it to vocal, maybe more aimed for podcast or things like that. You got the bass boost, you've got the treble boost, or you can even customize it really like you want. You do whatever you want. You're listening to music and you do that. Then you can enter a name, save the update, and create a new EQ mode that will be available here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful.